Yo, what's good? It's your boy Slick in Slick Productionz Studios, back at it again with another unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 6, baby. Just kidding, that's not the way I talk, but I love that accent. But this is all about an unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm making this video because I never had an Apple Series watch before. This is my first time having a watch, so I figured I'd make an unboxing video of it. I can tell you a little bit about the new technology. Blood oxygen sensor, electric heart sensor, optical sensor, heart sensor, dual core S6 SIP sensor. Dude, it's just a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna sit here and explain it because listen, I'm not a pro with this stuff. I'm just making an unboxing video for people who want to see it because I'm pretty excited about it, so I want to make a video of it. Why not? You know what I mean? Anyways, for people who watch my videos, welcome back. And for newcomers who are just checking out the new Apple Watch, greetings. Greetings. I'm Slick, and this is my studio. I'm a recording artist, musician, whatever, all that good stuff. But I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about the Apple Watch Series 6. Don't mind me. I'm not a professional video maker or none of that. I do this stuff for fun, you know what I mean? And I hope you like it. So, yeah. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff so you can keep up to date on my newest videos, my newest content, make videos, all that stuff. Do a whole bunch of stuff, whatever I want to do, whatever makes me happy, you know? You should be doing the same thing. So let's go. So we're just gonna get started here. Like I said, I don't talk like that. I just love talking like that. But check here, Apple Watch. Check this out. It has this tab here. Pull back this tab here, and that rips out the plastic. Can't believe I'm talking like this, but I really don't care. I feel like it. I could talk like this all I want. I never had this before, like I said. I never had this watch before. I never had an Apple Watch before, period. So this is pretty cool. Got the sports band edition. I got the Apple Watch 6 right here. So if I open this up like this, wow. Okay, so there she is. There she is. Comes with a little sleeve here. Baby right here, just slide her out. Never had one before, so like I said, this is my first one. It's pretty cool. So there she is. It's pretty cool. Yes, sir. Got some instructions here, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Some instructions. Got a charging cable. Place the Apple Watch on here, I guess. Like I said, I never had one. So this is my first time too. Never had one. I'll figure this out, but yeah. And then you get the sports band. You know what I mean? Guess you pull this down here. I guess so. I never had one. Someone come help me out with this. Sweet. So here it shows you how to, you know, connect the sports band and everything. Get it all ready, set, go. I'm probably gonna use, I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet, but I'm gonna use one of them. You know what I mean? That's it. So this is the 40mm version of the Apple Watch Series 6. I could tell you a little bit about it. This one's the only one that has the blood oxygen sensor and the electrical heart sensor, and also the S6 SIP dual core chip. The SE has the S5 chip, and the Series 3 obviously has the S3 chip, according to Apple's comparison list here. So this one is the cellular one, because I did want the cellular one just in case I left my iPhone at home or something. But let me put it on real quick and check it out. So this is with it on my wrist, you know what I'm saying? Look at the flick on my wrist, you know what I mean? But yeah, I don't know much about this, so I can't sit here all day and explain to you how to use this thing because I honestly don't even know how to use it, but I am gonna get used to it. This is pretty cool though. I never had this before, man. This is pretty cool. See, I don't even know what I'm doing here, but I can't wait to use it and mess around with it, you know, because it has a lot of cool new features, and I still need to do some of my research on what's new and what's not. Other than that, I'm happy to have my new watch, and I hope you guys like the video. But that's all I'm going to be showing you guys. Just a quick review and unboxing video on my Apple Watch Series 6. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side, mates. Alrighty then. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a like if you like this video. Alright? Awesome. See you later, guys.